Connecting your RFID reader to your device is quick and simple. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Power on the reader. First, pull the trigger on your RFID reader. When you hear a beep, the blue light will start flashing. Step 2. Enable Bluetooth on your device. Next, go to your device's settings and select Bluetooth. Look for the RFID reader in the list of available devices. Step 3. Connect to the reader. Tap on the reader's name to connect. You'll see a loading icon while it pairs. Once the connection is successful, the blue light on the reader will turn solid. Step 4. Managing battery life. Keep in mind, if the reader stays near your device while connected, it will continue to use battery power on both. Step 5. Disconnecting the reader. To disconnect, go back to your Bluetooth settings, find the reader's serial number 4558 in this example, then tap the I or settings icon next to it. Select Disconnect. The blue light on the reader will start blinking again, confirming the disconnection. Reconnecting the reader. If you've connected before, simply pull the trigger to wake the reader. When the blue light blinks, go to Bluetooth settings, find the reader's serial number, and tap to reconnect. Once paired, the blue light will turn solid again. And that's it. Your RFID reader is now connected and ready to go.